Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the ultimate playbook on how to use Google Trends for search engine optimization in 2026, an era completely revolutionized by generative engines and lightning-fast shifts in consumer interest. Standard keyword planning tool frameworks simply cannot keep pace with today's search landscape, making the freshly updated Google Trends dashboard your absolute secret weapon for discovering organic traffic voids before your direct competitors do. Your immediate first step is to dive into the reimagined Explore module, which features a native Gemini artificial intelligence side panel that automatically groups high-velocity concepts, suggests conversational search prompts, and doubles your visibility into rising breakout topics. Look carefully at the Rising Queries filter and isolate keywords experiencing sudden vertical spikes, as these indicate prime real estate for capture. Because Google's 2026 search layout shifts informational requests straight into automated AI mode default answers, optimizing for isolated keywords is a losing battle. Instead, utilize the Trends interface to trace semantic entity connections and construct comprehensive content hubs built entirely around high-velocity subject clusters. Once you uncover a fresh problem awareness trend inside your specific market vertical, do not waste time building completely new URLs from scratch. Instead, aggressively update your existing relevant landing pages by integrating direct, clear answers at the very top of your text to secure premium zero-click citation placements in Google's algorithmic overviews. Lastly, protect your domain from sudden core ranking corrections by verifying that every trend you target perfectly matches your site's core expert authority, ensuring long-term systemic growth. Subscribe the channel for more videos.